Okay, this is number 6. Sorry, I got a little bit of numbers. This is number 6 on your review. You're supposed to solve this system of quadratics using substitution, and again, you can consult page 12 to 13 on your notes for other examples. But in this case, we know that y equals negative 3x minus 3. So we're going to take what y equals and plug it in for y. So we'll start off right here, just write out our equation. We've got negative 3x minus 3 equals negative 5x squared plus 2x minus 3. Alright, and from here, with any quadratic, you need to get everything to one side so that you can either factor, use your quadratic equation, or whatever. Not sure why I did that. So I'm just going to move everything to the left because, again, I like keeping my x squared positive. So that's the only x squared there is, so I'm going to move that left. That becomes a positive 5x squared. If I move the 2x to the left, it becomes a negative 2x. Can merge it with the negative 3, so that's negative 5x. And I got a negative 3 on the right and a negative 3 on the left. And when I add 3 to both sides, they all cancel out. So I got 5x squared minus 5x equals 0, which this becomes very simple, very fast, because I can factor this really quickly. All I have to do is divide out a 5x. If I factor out a 5x, that one divided by 5x is simply x. This one divided by 5x, everything cancels out, and you're left with a negative 1. And when I take my factors, set them equal to 0. If I do 5x equals 0, x equals 0. And if I do x minus 1 equals 0, again, x equals positive 1. And you might have been able to do that in your head really fast, but either way, that's what they are. Once I get my x values, again, those are the first part of the coordinates. I need to find my y coordinates. Once I find x, I simply plug them into y. And I'm going to use this equation, plug them in to solve for y. I'm going to use this equation because it's nice and simple. I can do it in my head. If I take my x and plug it in right there, negative 3 times 0 is 0, minus 3 is negative 3. So 0, negative 3. Actually, it helps if I pull that round off right there. There we go. Negative 3. Again, I'm going to use the exact same equation, but this time I'm going to plug in a negative 1 for x. So negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, minus 6 is negative 9. So we can do it as a negative 9. Those are your solutions. 0, negative 3, and 1, negative 9.